Raffles Place. Otherwise, the original name was Commercial Square. And that is where the private sectors do their business. The merchants, yeah, they do the dealing right across the river. Yeah? And take a look. Can you see these clusters of skyscraper? And if you look further to the right, you don't see much of the skyscraper, because where that direction leads you, it will lead you to what is understood as Chinatown. Yeah? But Chinatown was actually meant for the Asian immigrants. Yeah? But as more Chinese immigrants start coming in, that part of the city become very crowded, and the Indians start looking up for new places, and they moved to this road which is known as Serangoon Road, and today we call that Little India. Alright? Okay, and what happened to the European? Remember we passed by? The one with the Raffles Hotel? It's just, can you see that tall building? It's that direction. Yeah? Otherwise, can you see this big tree? Can you imagine? This big tree was the shoreline. Yeah? So whatever you see on to your right, these are all reclaimed land. Yeah? So very close to the sea now. Okay? Okay, come, let's move on. Otherwise you don't have time to meet the Merlion. Walk on the road.
Because it's close.
And take a note. Can you see? There's a bridge right in front of us. That's called the Anderson Bridge. And it happened to be the last bridge built by the British. It was completed in the early 1900s. And take a look. Can you see someone jogging along it? And do you notice that is a pavement? While where we are walking is still a road. Yeah? And you notice no traffic is passing by because you say the road is closed. But why do they still have a road here? It has to do with the Formula One race. So this is part of the 5.1 kilometer Marina Bay Street circuit. People from China, they brought a lot of stop here for a while. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, remember I was talking to you about Raffles Place, which is the cluster of this tall building. Yeah? By 2010, the government opened up more places for trading, and they opened the second financial district. Take a look now to your left. Can you see the one with the big banks logo? HSBC, DBS and Standard Chartered. That clusters of building is known as Marina Bay Financial Center. Yeah? So it seems that they are quite a distance from each other, but it's possible to walk from one point to another through a network of underground walkway. Yeah? We call it the underground city. Yeah? So from Raffles Place, you have some escalator that will get you down, and it will lead you to one of the major MRT station. Yeah? Then from there you can continue walking underneath the street, and it's very, very popular because of the hot sun. We love to use because it's fully air conditioned. Yeah, but otherwise you can even use the train. Yeah, because they have that. All right. Okay. So take a look now. Can you see this building here? This is called Marina Bay Sand. Yeah, and this building is also known as the Integrated Resort. And in Singapore, when someone talks to you about integrated resort, what they are talking about is a casino. Because gambling was never allowed in Singapore, but because of tourism, the government have a change of heart, and this is where in 2005 they legalized what I call controlled gambling by opening 2 integrated resort. Yeah, when I mention integrated resort, the gambling part only covers 20% of the space, while the 80% have to be non-gambling. And that's why, take a look. This is built by Sands Corporation, Las Vegas. Yeah, the 3 towers is not an apartment, but the biggest hotel in the country with more than 2,500 rooms in there. Yeah, if you think Raffles Hotel is a bit too expensive, you can afford this, $700 to $800 a night. Yeah, and the uniqueness of staying a night at this hotel is, can you see the top part? It's called the Sky Park, and on both ends they have what do you call it? An eateries. Yeah, the one in front is called, the more popular one is the one in front, Salafi. Yeah, very popular. If you want to go up there, you need to make a reservation. Yeah, you can't just walk in, you'll be disappointed. All right, okay. Can you see the brightest part? That is a 200-meter long swimming pool. So many people check into the hotel just to have a swim right on top. Yeah, so they call it the infinity pool, where the edge of the pool drops where you see. Yeah, it's like those in Bali. Yeah, they make it, but this is in a tall building. Yeah, so while swimming, you can see the entire cityscape of Singapore. All right, this is like a city kind of attraction. Okay, and of course later on when you go down, you're going to see the other lower buildings. It includes the casino, the convention center, and the shopping mall. Not to worry to look at that. We'll be passing by later on. All right, okay, so I'm going to give you some time. Yeah, you got like 20 minutes now. Walk down by this staircase, and the moment you go down there, go underneath the bridge. Keep on